This video is for you if you own your home and you're struggling to start your property investment journey. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use your existing home to buy 3 houses and make £18,000 every single year. So come on in with me so I can walk you through how you can use your existing home to make that money. Hey guys, my name is Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. So let's get to the point. Let's say we own our home and that property is valued at £500,000. So with that £500,000, let's say you've been in that property for a very long time and you've got a bit of equity in it. Let's say the property's value, the fair market value of the property, as we said, is £500,000. Let's say you have an outstanding mortgage of £200,000. What that means basically, you have an equity of £300,000. So with this £300,000, this is a money that sits in your property that you're not doing nothing with. So if you're very clever, you can then approach your lender or any other person to lend you money based on your equity. Most lenders will lend you 75% of your £300,000, and that would be £225,000. So with that £225,000, obviously then we can use that money to go and do our investment. But before I talk about how we can use that investment, is that this £200,000 means additional borrowing to your property itself. What that means basically, you would have to actually pay additional interest for that £225,000. But before you start saying, whoa, how much is that going to be, or how am I going to pay? Bear with me, let me explain to you how those properties that you're about to buy would pay for that interest and make you serious return on your investment. So with that £225,000, we're able to buy about 3 investment properties. So we're going to go to the market and buy a property worth £150,000. So with £150,000, 25% deposit and any other cost that associated to buying the property, let's say that was about £40,000. So at £40,000, and then because obviously we bought that property and we may be required to do a little bit of work in it, let's say that property, then we invested in about another £30,000. That then gives us an initial investment of £70,000. So £70,000, if you times that by 3 properties, that would have been £210,000. So in essence, out of the £225,000, we also have about maybe £15,000 to play with, should in case we need to do it for something else. But what we're now going to do normally with that £15,000 that have left, we can put that aside to pay the interest on the additional borrowing here. So fast forward to doing the property up really nice, and it looks absolutely amazing, and we're able to replicate that 3 times within the year. Suppose that we run those properties at £1,100 each, and then obviously we have our expenses of £600. That will generate us £500 net profit every single month per property. If you times that by 3, you're talking about £1,500, and within a year, if you times that by 12, you're talking about £18,000. So out of that £18,000, basically some of that money you would use to pay towards your interest payment if you not already used that £15,000 you've left there, and then obviously you can remortgage those properties you would have bought, these 3 properties here. When you remortgage those 3 properties here, you can use the money you made from that remortgage to go and pay off your £225,000. What that then means, basically, you've got 3 more houses with your residential home, which takes you back to your £200,000 outstanding mortgage, whilst you've got 3 properties that are generating you £18,000 every single year. This is one of the strategies I was able to use to build a multi-million-pound property investment portfolio. I really hope this analysis has shined a light and ultimately encourages you to look at your property and see how you can make the money sitting in that property work a lot harder for you. If you want to learn how to implement strategies like this, there's a description on this video. You can click and book one of my consultants to see how we may be able to help you implement strategies like this to make your equity in your property work a lot harder for you. If you like this video or any of my videos, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next one. Thank you.